everyone, welcome back for another virtual story time here at the Key West Tropical Forest and Botanical Garden. I'm Miss Nicole, and today we're going to read a book about pigeons. The reason I chose a book about a pigeon is because lately I've been seeing a lot of the white-crowned pigeon, which is labeled as endangered in Florida. And that bird is migratory, so you might be seeing it around too. It's a beautiful pigeon with a white head. So today we're going to read Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. Let's get started. Hi, I'm the bus driver. Listen, I've got to leave for a little while, so can you watch things for me until I get back? What do you think? Can we watch things for him? Awesome. Thanks. Oh, and remember, don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Here we've got our bus driver, the bus, and who's this? A pigeon. I thought he'd never leave. Hey, can I drive the bus? What do you think? Is he allowed to drive the bus? No, pigeons can't drive buses. Please. I'll be careful. I tell you what, I'll just steer. My cousin Herb drives a bus almost every day. True story. What do you think? Can we let him drive the bus? No. Vroom, 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 vroom. Pigeon at the wheel. No? I never get to do anything. Oh, look at the pigeon. He's sad now. Hey, I've got an idea. Let's play Drive the Bus. I'll go first. Look, he's running away. Come on, just once around the block. What do you think? Can we let him? No. I'll be your best friend. How about I give you $5? No fair. I bet your mom would let me. What's the big deal? It's just a bus. I have dreams, you know. Fine. Let me drive the bus! This is a very unhappy pigeon, huh? Aw, look at him. I'm back. You didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? Did we? No. Great, thanks a lot. Uh-oh. Bye. Hey, what do you think the pigeon sees here? Doesn't look like a bus to me. It's a truck. That's one of my favorite stories about a pigeon. So for today's craft, we're going to make our own pigeon craft. So it looks a lot like the one from our story, doesn't it? This craft is pretty simple. You can find the tutorial on our Google Classroom by registering for free at Keywest.garden/education. All you'll need is a paper plate, and you're going to color it blue, fold it in half, and add a wing. And then I used some blue paper to make a neck and a head using a rectangle and a circle. And then I added an eye and a beak with some more paper that I colored. But I also have a cutout that you can use a template on their Google Classroom if you join that. And for our activity today, we are going to trace lines. So you can find the worksheet available on our Google Classroom, and the worksheet also has a coloring page with some of the characters from the book. But for this example, we'll use the whiteboard. So we want to have the pigeon get to the bus. So let's follow the red lines. Looks like we can't get to the bus yet. Keep going. Around the corner. There we go. So you give it a try at home. Make sure to show us your work using #KWVirtualGarden. Thanks for joining me for another story time. See you next week.